No matter how old you are, dermatologists agree that it's never too early or too late to start taking care of your skin. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, sticking to a regular skincare routine that includes a good wrinkle cream can make all the difference. Today we are going to show you anti-aging creams to fight wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots like advanced body repair treatment. Before starting our video, if you are not subscribing to our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for updates. Ladies are constantly stressed over the presence of barely recognizable differences and wrinkles as they age. The pressure drives them to seek after the best enemy of maturing cream. Be that as it may, with the correct skincare schedule, you can manage this issue and postpone the maturing strategy. Furthermore, hence, hostile to maturing creams are explicitly made for this. These creams help lessen the indications of developing by developing the skin's versatility. But there are so many creams and moisturizers out there that promise so many things, it can be tricky to know where to start. That's why the Good Housekeeping Institute Beauty Lab experts are here to cut through the clutter. GH Beauty Lab scientists are constantly testing the latest anti-aging skincare products, including day creams, night creams, eye creams, neck creams, and more to find the best on the market. They utilize both technical instruments that measure changes in wrinkles, dark spots, firmness, and skin moisturization over time, as well as consumer tester feedback on factors like ease of use, cosmetic properties, and look and feel of skin after a set time period. Finally, we got the best 3 anti-aging creams to fight wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots. First, Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment Anti-Aging Wrinkle Cream for Face and Body. Support skin's natural elastin and collagen production, 10 ounces. What it is: a fast-absorbing, lightweight hydrator made to target age giveaway zones. Benefits: visibly smooths, firms, and tightens crepey skin. How to use: after using the body smoothing pre-treatment, apply advanced body repair treatment to clean, dry skin where crepiness is present. Massage in upward, circular motions for 1 minute or until fully absorbed. Apply once more to dry skin before the end of the day. Second, Elamise Pro Collagen Night Cream Ultra Rich Daily Face Moisturizer firms, smooths, and replenishes the skin with antioxidants. Elamise Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream helps support the skin's natural regeneration process to delay premature signs of aging and smooth already existing fine lines and wrinkles for a younger-looking complexion. Its rich, luxurious texture infuses the skin with hydration and oxygen, increasing oxygen levels by up to 41% in just 28 hours for firmer, more radiant skin. Benefits: visibly smooths, firms, and tightens skin. How to use: every evening, warm a pea-size amount between hands and gently smooth over the face, neck, and décolleté. Third, Filorga NCF Reverse Multi-Correction Skin Moisturizer Cream, anti-aging formula of hyaluronic acid, collagen, and vitamins to reduce wrinkles and restore skin elasticity of the eye and face. Filorga NCF Reverse Supreme Multi-Correction Cream is a nourishing anti-aging cream that tackles signs of aging and fatigue, and lends the complexion a luminous and younger look. It is, therefore, ideal to help repair and revitalize the complexion during stressful periods. With hyaluronic acid and matrikines, it helps hydrate and also visibly plump the skin. With collagen combined with a collagen booster, it enhances the skin's collagen production for firmer and smoother skin. How to use: apply Filorga NCF Reverse Supreme Multi-Correction Cream both morning and evening onto previously clean and dry skin. Gentle massage until fully absorbed. That's it for today. If you like the video, then please hit thumbs up and subscribe.